Hi, this is Mike Feigen with Design Tech Homes, and we're doing Mondays with Mike. And I know that most of our buyers like to have a lot of information, and I like to know what I'm talking about. So I want to explain the pieces and parts that are out here so that you can be knowledgeable when you're saying, hey, I think something's missing, or hey, I don't know if they have those there. And maybe you're not working with Design Tech Homes and it's another builder. You need to make sure they're using these type of products. Some people just put a brick underneath it instead of using what I'm going to say are cat heads. These are the cat heads. These actually raise your cables up off the pads, which these are building pads, so that the cement or concrete can go underneath it and surround it properly. So you want to make sure that your builder's using cat heads and not just sticking a 2x4 or a piece of brick underneath it. Okay, that's required. If you're raising your cable up off in the slab, you're going to see you don't want the cable resting on the bottom of the beam. These are beams that you see when you see all these little indentions. Those are called beams. And that's actually where a lot of the strength is in the beams. So they actually have to be held up off the slab, and so they should be using a piece of rebar or a stirrup that'll hold them up off the ground so that they can be properly tensioned and not be in the dirt. Otherwise, if they're against the bottom of the dirt or the bottom of the poly, that's not right. The other thing is you see here, this is called a deadhead. So this is the dead end of the cable. That's called a deadhead. The deadhead just to be nailed just to the slab, to the form boards just like this. And when they pour the concrete, it'll stay in place and the concrete will actually go around it. On the other end is called the live end. That's where they'll actually connect onto it and tension the slab. That's the live end. So you have a dead end and a live end.